Hi guys, welcome back. Just want to say happy Labor Day. We're going to the lake, shooting this on Friday, so don't have very long out here. I think what we're going to do today is kind of concentrate on this back area here. Get this kind of sanded down and painted. And on this side too. Yeah, this side too. And what is that? For some reason there's worms on my frame. That one's still alive. I don't know what kind of worms those are. Kind of blurry. Weird. But anyways, get that side too. And then if we have enough time, we'll move up here and get this inside part. Once we do that, we'll just have a little bit here and here to do. And then I think it'll be time to try to bring the sandblaster out and get these hard to reach areas. Get all that taken care of and painted. And then once we do that with everything, you know, these body mounts, this area here, this area here and this area back here, then we can start taking the suspension and the rear end out and start blasting or sanding these pieces that will stay, that we're just gonna freshen up and put new bushings and stuff in. So once that happens, we'll flip the frame over, and I'm not sure how to make it maneuverable without it being too difficult. If y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. I think I might build something that might stand on this and use the body mounts or something. But once we do that, we'll try to get the whole bottom of the frame done in one go, and then we'll come back with the sandblaster and get these areas. That's what I'm thinking. Or I might reverse that. I don't know. We'll see though. I think I might go with Pour 15 for the frame paint. It seems like it might be a little bit easier to do and to obtain. It's basically just paint it on and you're done, so can't get much simpler than that. And I've been told by a lot of people it's really good paint for like frames and such. You can see a bunch of dirt daubers in here. But anyways, let's jump into this and kind of get started before it gets too hot out here. Also, if you like this kind of stuff, please stick around to the end of the video. It does help the channel get out there more if there's more retention time. YouTube tends to push that content more. So if you've been with me for a while and you like this kind of stuff, just please watch to the end. This video probably won't be very long, to be honest with you, because like I said, I gotta go and it's hot and ready for a long weekend. So, but yeah, if y'all don't mind, just hang around and stick it out with me, and we'll get this frame painted. But anyways, let's hop over there and we'll get started. All right, we got this sanded down relatively decent, I think. I don't feel any kind of heavy pitting. So that side looked about the same. It looked pretty good at the front. I'm gonna paint it splotchy. The reason being is I need the sandblaster in there to get in those tight corners up front, and that wire wheel just can't dig in there and get that without hitting the nut on the angle grinder. So we'll get some of that painted, but we're gonna open the garage door, wipe this down right quick, put a couple coats of paint on the stuff that we kind of prepared, and take a look at it. It's getting pretty hot out here, and my kids are ready to go to the lake, so I had to cut it short. But I think we got what we want accomplished done today. We got the back outside frame rails painted, and the inside of the front, where the transmission, where the radiator goes, painted. But let me turn you around here right quick and kind of show you how it turned out. It's kind of hard to tell with that glare coming in, but we got that painted. Looks pretty nice, I think. We'll probably hit this again with the sandblaster once we get it going, and of course right in here as well. And over here is the other rail that we painted. We'll do the same sandblast around the edges and kind of get it looking better. I really need to get in there and get all that out of there. Then the front here, I told you I was going to kind of paint it splotchy. That's because I didn't really have the time or the patience to get over here and get all this kind of grease, and I couldn't get in here really well with that wire wheel brush. You can see right here as well, that's grease. So probably here and here we'll sandblast that area up underneath here, and of course down under here and all through here, nothing but grease. So we'll get that all kind of knocked down and looking better. But I think it turned out pretty nice right through here. I think the engine will look really good on it. Or engine will be back here, but you know what I mean. I think it'll look nice. Just need to get something and scrape that off. We'll have to, I think we can undo that bolt. Maybe, maybe not. Nope, it's welded. Yeah, it's welded. So we're gonna have to really get this blasted. Get dirt bobbers nesting in the frame already. I don't know if you can tell. Camera pick it up or not. But getting closer. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, we're headed out. Gonna go to the lake. If you go to the lake, please be careful. There'll be a bunch of people out there today, and I know we'll be out there, but I know it feels like we're moving slow on this, but this heat has been really detrimental to my time in the garage, because I just don't really want to be out here when it's just blazing hot. So hopefully it'll start cooling off a little bit, and we'll really knuckle down on the International Rat Rod. I know I got less than this. Well, no, it's about a month. Well, I forgot when that was. I know I at least have a month to get that thing going and try to make it to the Robert's Cave Car Show. Right now it's not looking like we're gonna make it, but I'm gonna push really hard. I'm gonna start coming out here more often in the evenings and messing with it more than I have. It's cooling off, so it should be a lot better out here. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you. It does truly mean a lot, and like I said, it does help the video be pushed out more, and the more people that come here hopefully will help me with the Bronco. More eyes on it, more suggestions, comments, and expertise to kind of help me along. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.